Good morning to class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and take care of yourself. Please don't go outside as weather is too cold. So, today is Monday, 21st December 2020. Is your maths period and today we will do objective worksheet. It's page number 169 of countdown. So, hurry up students, get ready for the work and open your countdown books. Students, open your countdown books. It's page number 169. Today we will solve worksheet 6. First of all, we will write here classwork and shorted, that is 21st December 2020. So on the top of it, we write here classwork and shorted, that is 21st December 2020. Question is, choose the correct answer and underline it. A part is, what is the next number in the sequence? It's 11, 13, 15 and next. Okay students, first of all tell me, what are even and odd numbers? Do you know? Who will tell me? Remember the definition of even number. A number which is divisible by 2 with no remainder are called even number. Students, look at these numbers. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The numbers which are divisible by 2 with no remainder are called even numbers, or the numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in the ones place are called even numbers. So students, all the numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in the ones place are called even numbers. Let's take an example. It's 12. Look at this. On the ones place it's 2. So it is even number. 12 is even number. So even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are called even numbers. And what are odd numbers? The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. Look at this. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 all are odd numbers. The numbers which have 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. Look at this. It's 17. In the ones place it's 7. So it is odd number. It is not divisible by 2. It means it's 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers. So students, look at the options. It's 16. 16 is an even number or odd number? Yes. Yes, it is even number. Look at this. On the ones place it is 6. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers. So 16 is an even number. And here we have it's 11, 13, 15 and which number next comes? It's 17. Yes, 11, 13, 15 and next 17, because 1, 3, 5 and 7 are odd numbers. So next comes 17. Next B part is, a pizza is cut into 4 equal parts. One part is eaten. What fraction of the pizza is left? It's 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. Students, look at this. A pizza is cut into 4 equal parts and one part is eaten and each part is called 1 by 4. Each part is called 1 by 4. Now we will write its fraction. It's 3 by 4. 1, 2 and 3 portions are left. So its fraction is 3 by 4. Total number of parts are 3 and one part is eaten. So remaining parts are 3. Its fraction is 3 by 4. So what fraction of the pizza is left? It's 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. Yes, it's 3 by 4 because one part is eaten. And how many is left? It's 3 by 4. Next C part is there are dash days in 4 weeks. 21 days, 23 days, 28 days and 35 days. Students, as you know, how many days in a week? Yes, it's 7. How many days in a week? It's 7. Now the question is how many days in 4 weeks? So we multiply 7 with 4. Yes, it's 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. It means how many days in 4 weeks? It's 28 days. So the correct answer is 28 days. Next D part is a rope 2 meter 50 centimeter long is cut into 2 equal parts. The length of each rope will be it's 1 meter 5 centimeter, 1 meter 50 centimeter, 1 meter 25 centimeter and the D part is 1 meter. The rope is 2 meter and 50 centimeter long is cut into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts means it is half of 2 meter and a rope 2 meter 50 centimeter long is cut into 2 equal parts. The length of each rope will be 1 meter 5 centimeter, 1 meter 50 centimeter, 1 meter 25 centimeter and 1 meter. Students, when we cut a rope into 2 equal parts, what is half of this? It's 2. Half of 2 is 1 and half of 50 is it's 25. So the answer is it means 1 meter and 25 centimeter. What is correct answer? Half of 2 is 1 and half of 50 is 25 because 25 plus 25 is 50. Yes, so half of 50 is 25. It means answer is 1 meter and 25 centimeter is correct. If Adil sleeps for 8 hours every day, he is awake for dash hours. Students, do you know how many hours in a day? Yes, it's 24. How many hours in a day? It's 24. And if Adil sleeps 8 hours daily, so we subtract 8 from 24. Can we subtract 8 from 4? No, because 4 is smaller number and 8 is bigger number. So what we will do? We borrow from this one. It left here 1 and now it becomes 14. Now 14 minus 8. It's 6 and 1 as it is. So it means how many hours? He is awake for 16 hours. It means he is awake for 16 hours. So what is correct answer? 12 hours? No. Yes, it's B part. 16 hours. Next F part is what is the value of 5 in the number 605? Students, look at this. Here we have ones, tens and hundreds. So value of 5 is ones. What we will write the answer? It's 50. No. It's 500. No. It's 5. Yes. Ones on the ones place means it's just 5. So it is right answer. What number is 100 less than 159? Students, as I have told you in the previous lecture, 100 more than means we will add 100 in that figure. Now the question is what number is 100 less than? 100 less than means we do subtraction. Okay, we subtract 100 from 159. When we subtract 159 and 100, answer is, look at this, 9 minus 0, it's 9. 5 minus 0, it's 5. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So what is answer? 59. What is right answer? It's 59. Students, do you understand? Again, I am telling you 100 less than means it's subtraction. 100 more than means we do addition and 100 less than means we do subtraction. Okay. Now last part is, how many vertices does a cube have? Students, vertices means where two lines meet. It is also called corners. Students, look at this shape. It is a cube. And vertices of a cube, vertices are also known as corners. So look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many corners? A cube has 8 corners or 8 vertices. So how many vertices does a cube have? It's 6, 9, 8 and 10. What is answer? Yes, it's 8. How many vertices does a cube have? It's 8 vertices or 8 corners. So students, you will solve this page on your countdown books. Students, now open your notebooks and maintain your pages down straight margin line on both sides of the page. After that, write homework Monday, 21st December, 2020. After that, write topic worksheet 6. It's page number 169. Write exercise, choose the correct answer and underline it. Underline both topic and exercise with color. After that, write A part. What is the next number in the sequence? It's 11, 13, 15. Which number next comes? It's 16, 17, 18 or 20. Yes, it's 17. Same like this, students, you will solve B, C and D parts on your notebooks and send me your work. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.